we'll guide you through how to fix Instagram Reels not working on PC. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, tap the Windows key on your keyboard to open the Start menu and access system settings quickly. Then search for Adjust the appearance and performance of Windows using the search function, and when the matching result appears, tap on it to open the Performance Options panel. Once the panel is open, select the Adjust for Best Performance option to optimize visual settings for speed and efficiency. After applying that setting, close the panel and return to the desktop. Next, click on Google Chrome to launch the browser. When Chrome opens, tap on the search bar and type Instagram. From the search results, click on the first one that appears to open the Instagram website. After the page loads, go to the email section and type out your email address carefully. Then press on the password section and type out your password accurately so you can access your account. Once all content has fully loaded and you are signed in, go to the side menu where the available navigation options are displayed. Take a moment to locate the Reels section within that menu and confirm that you have selected the correct option. After finding Reels, tap on it to open the feature and allow the page to finish loading completely. Once it becomes available, test it out by watching several short videos and checking that they play correctly without unexpected interruptions. Scroll through a few different Reels to make sure the feature responds properly to your actions and loads new content as expected. If a video starts automatically and plays smoothly, that indicates the feature is functioning normally. Continue testing by moving between several Reels and verifying that playback remains stable throughout the session. You can also check whether the controls respond when you interact with the content and whether navigation remains smooth while browsing. If everything works as intended, the setup process is complete and the performance adjustment made earlier has been successfully applied before using Instagram. Following these steps in the exact order helps create a straightforward workflow and ensures that both the system settings and application